Hey, I just thought I'd let you see what I've been up to. Got my lights up. I'm thinking it looks pretty good. First time I've had them all up. Oh, Mama even come out and look. Aren't they pretty? They got reindeers over at their house over there. Yeah, Christmas colors. Good grief, Charlie Brown. Just finished off the LEDs. They go all the way around the house now. And they change colors. One little spot there I didn't get any because I couldn't get nothing to stick to that stucco, but it takes off right there. It goes around and around. We got the little sparkles on the wall. We got the backyard done. Got all the LEDs. I think it's looking pretty good. Got the little shed decorated. Even the grapevine has got lights on it over there. And like I said, she goes all the way around. I like it. Vickie says no more lights, which is okay, because next year I'm going to start getting me some yard art. Maybe a blow-up Santa. Who knows, reindeers? What else I got to do in the winter? Hey, stay tuned. You know where I'm going to be soon. Merry Christmas, everybody.